Ano magkape naman ng baby?
Coffee.
No, dirty yan. Yak, may wiwi dyan ng dog.
Sila mo ko tayong coffee.
Dili man mag-coffee ang baby.
You want coffee?
Coffee is not for baby.
No.
Coffee is for daddy and mommy and ate Eileen.
No.
How about Milo? Ano, naunsa naman ang bataang magkape naman noon. O kami na, let's drink milk na lang. No more milk. Milk na lang tayo.
You want milk? You want Milo? You want coffee? Oh, come here.